So I've been trying to figure out why is it that when people have money issues and they reach out to get help, they don't follow through with the next step when they are provided with the answers to the questions that they had about the help that they want to receive. And I figured it out today. Seed plus expectation equals harvest. If you don't expect to win, you won't. If you don't expect your money situation to change, it won't happen. If you don't expect to get to the next level, you will stay right where you are. So I'm saying to you, my dear loved one, you who I'm talking to right now, I want you to change what you expect. You see, money will not make you wealthy. Let me repeat, money will not make you wealthy. There are a whole lot of people who have a whole lot of money and then they're broke instantly. As a matter of fact, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. More money won't solve a money problem. If it did, millionaires wouldn't go bankrupt. So the only difference between where you are and where you want to be is your mindset. And you have to have a mindset of abundant intelligence. The same way you need emotional intelligence, the same way you need academic intelligence, you also need to have abundant intelligence. And the first step to receiving what it is that you know that you want to have is to expect that what you do is going to foster a change. You see, it doesn't matter what you want. It doesn't matter if you want to be financially free. It doesn't matter if you want to get a bigger house. It doesn't matter if you want a better paying job. It doesn't matter if you want to find your purpose. What matters is if you expect it. You see, the Bible says that faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. Even God says he is a rewarder of those who diligently seek him. In order to be in God's presence, you must know that he is and believe that he is, and he will reward your diligence, but most importantly, your faith is what gives him the power to put back into your life what it is that you expect. So I'm going to say to you, what are you expecting? Are you expecting greatness or are you expecting failure? I've had thousands of people reach out to me. I'm talking about thousands. And I respond to each and every inquiry. But only a fraction of those people actually take the next step to get to the next level. And I finally figured out, Lynn Richardson, it's not you. Lynn Richardson, it's not the world. It's the person who's making the request. So I'm going to tell you, believe in yourself. Believe in what it is that you say you want. Expect that what you say you want, financial freedom, getting out of bondage, freeing yourself from anxiety, freedom from being attached to someone who you know you don't belong with, whatever it is, believe that the other side is yours. And I promise you, you'll see the shift change. The harvest is here.